had to call our supervisor.
Are you coming?
Yes.
Okay. I can go in this.
And this other side.
I put my car in here.
Alright.
The ball.
The ball. £1,000?
Yes.
Dion! Wow, Dion is waiting for the fireworks too. Huh.
I want to see a fire. There, Gubby. In there.
Oh, come here na.
Brown is Gubby. Gubby, fire running over here.
Here, let's go. We'll play catch. Stop. You're going to walk into people.
All right, let's go. Excuse me. Hmm? What? Yeah. What is that? A dog.
Oh, there's a doggy.
Oops.
There's a doggy.
£1,000?
More fireworks.
Yep.
Fireworks.
More fireworks.
That's why we're having a cake.
Yes.
Fireworks.
Cake fireworks.
Fireworks.
That's right.
Fireworks.
Cake fireworks.
Hey, what's over here? There's a door.
Yes.
Ding dong, ding dong,
Ding dong.
ding dong. Hey, somebody called me.
Wow, that's cool.
Yes, that's cool.
It's cool there.
Yes, you're walking.
Yep. A lot of people here too.
Wow, people inside.
Yeah, on the side.
Yeah, over there. Over there. Look at you walking that side.
I'm wondering if where's the fireworks at? Still no fireworks, huh? It's already 7:30.
Gubby fireworks again. Why Gubby? Super nice time. Oh,
Super
there's
night
small
time.
dog.
Yeah, there is.
Small dog. They're really small. Can move. Look. You gotta go in that. Come on, you gotta go in that.
Here, we are here now.
Up.
Going up.
Yes, we're going up. It's so high. Yeah, the people is going up too.
Oh yeah. Okay, turn to the left.
Oh,
That's a car.
that's a UTV, Mama.
UTV.
The UTV. That's a UTV. Wow, it can sure.
Yep.
A lot.
See the dog.
Mama, it's sure.
It's okay. Oh. Hi, dog. Oh, be careful to the dog. Don't touch it.
Cool, Mama.
Yep.
Look it up there. There's a speaker.
Yeah, there is a speaker.
Yeah, that's why you talk.
Yep. That's right.
Wonder of fire. Fire. Wonder.
They're right here.
Okay, we crossing the road. We go this side. This is our road, Ma. There's another UTV.
UTV over there. Here, another 2.
This is the UTV. This is our UTV. Very dangerous, Ma.
Yeah.
That UTV is dangerous. Oh, there's a dog over there.
There is another dog.
Yes, there's too many dogs.
Too many dog. Dion. Yeah, of course.
Another ATV. Mama, another ATV.
Sophia, what are you doing?
Mama, another ATV over there. Mama, another ATV.
Yes, ATV.
There's a lot of ATVs.
That's right.
Mama,
Yeah.
smell yucky smoke. I smell that over there. I smell the yucky smoke.
Oh, baby.
I smell yucky smoke. Oh,
We are gonna watch fireworks, huh? Yeah. Yeah. What?
hey.
What's page? What's page?
American flag.
American flag.
American flag.
Yep, yep, yep. American flag.
American flag. American flag.
Oh, yes.
I said American flag.
American flag.
American flag. What? Oh, can I use it then?
They're lining up cars like that. They're lining up cars like that.
Sophia. Another YouTube.
Don't ride that. We don't ride that.
We're gonna take a break. Oh, sit down. Tired. Do you wanna drink, Dion? Dion, do you wanna drink?
I need to.
No? Okay. No drink for Dion. Gonna have a break. Dion, lock it, Dion. Dion, lock the stroller. The other one. Very good. All right. You gonna sit down? We're gonna wait for the fireworks. Oh yeah.
As soon as they drink beer, I open the cup and everybody else is jumping in the cup.
Look, there's ATV.
That's what we have.
Oh yeah. UTV. UTV, huh?
I feel like it's stuck there. It's slowly moving this way. Maybe it's because I took my sunglasses.
Oh, there's an airplane.
Yeah, again, this airplane.
Oh, 5 minutes. Oh, let's go over there. Open the stroller. Open the stroller. We're gonna walk. There you go. Good job. There you go. 5 minutes. Oh. Where? Yeah, there's a dark. Let's go na because 5 minutes. Oh, let's go now because it's gonna start. Yeah, it's gonna be 9. Fireworks gonna go on. Let's go now. Let's go at the back. Let's go now. It's gonna go on the fireworks. Michael, let's go, Michael. This way, anak. The fireworks gonna on. Look at that. Dion, only one wheel. Alright, let's go. Let's go, Dion. Michael. Sophia. The fireworks gonna start shortly, Michael. Yep.
Fireworks gonna go in our house.
Oh yeah.
Our house gotta be fireworks.
Oh nice. Oh, let's go this way. We're gonna go back over there. Then we're gonna wait for the fireworks. It's gonna start soon. Bye. Micah, say bye-bye.
Bye.